Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. On today's episode, I want to show you how I make chayote gratin, or in Mauritius we call it gratin chou. And for the ingredient, we're gonna need obviously chayote, which is 2 of this chayote for this size, and I have already peeled, washed and cut them. As small you're gonna cut them, it's gonna be quicker to boil. We need some shredded cheese. I'm using mozzarella, you can use any cheese. We need an egg, some butter, flour, breadcrumbs. We need some onion, and this is crushed garlic. And we also need some chopped parsley. We need some milk and some heavy cream. And right now we're gonna go boil this chayote, and then we're gonna move to the next step. So the water is boiling, and I'm gonna add a little bit of salt, not too much. And now I'm gonna add this chayote, and we're gonna let this boil until tender. Okay guys, so the chayote has been boiled and it is tender, and now it is time to mash this. I'm just gonna take a fork and I'm gonna mash this. Okay, now in the same saucepan I'm gonna add butter, and I forgot to show you guys that we need some thyme. I'm using some fresh thyme. I just love the smell of thyme. Some garlic. I'm gonna add the thyme and the onion, and these ingredients are the good combination. It smells right now is already good. And now make sure the heat is over low heat, because the butter gonna burn. So if you fry onion in butter, it will burn on high heat. So just make sure this is going to cook until the onion is just like translucent. It's not gonna turn golden brown. It may just like catch a little bit of color, and then we're gonna move forward. Add the milk. And we also gonna add the cream. Stir this. You can just add milk only if you don't want to add cream. Adding cream, this is just heavy cream, will give the gratin, the chayote gratin, the gratin chou, a very good taste, a creamy texture of taste, which I really like a lot. Now leave the heat over medium, low, between medium and low. I'm gonna add just a little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper, and some flour, not too much. Stir quickly. Add the egg, mix quickly. Just like that. And then we're gonna add a handful of shredded cheese. Mix. And the boiled and mashed chayote going in. Again, mix quickly. Okay guys, at this point you can just take a spoon and taste a little bit. If you need seasoning, you can just add some salt and pepper. Now heat off, and I have a tray here, a little baking dish here, grease with butter, and now we're just gonna pour the mixture onto it. Yummy. Even. And then the leftover cheese, we're just gonna put it here. And you can add the parsley when you're adding the onion and the thyme, or you can just garnish the gratin with the parsley. So that's optional, up to you. Alright, so that's the cheese. And then I also like to add some breadcrumbs. You can add crackers. You can just ground the crackers and add. And that's it. Now the oven is preheating 375 Fahrenheit, and this is going to bake in the oven and until you see the top is a light golden brown color. Or you can just take a knife and you just insert. If your knife is dry, then you know your gratin is ready. My gratin chouchou, my chayote gratin, was in the oven for 18 minutes and it is nice and golden brown and it is still warm, and if you touch it you will see it is a little bit soft. Now I just want to cut into it, and this is a perfect side dish that goes very well with barbecue chicken, grilled chicken, oven chicken, or anything you like. Okay, just want to use this here, give this a try, and I want you to see how creamy is this gratin. It is, oh goodness, the smell is so good. Let's give it a try. It's quite hot. You guys can see the smoke. So good. I'm gonna write all the ingredients down below in the description box in English and French. Hope you enjoyed this video with me. I will see you next time. Don't forget to like it and subscribe.